Audi's RSQ e-tron hybrid Dakar racer is gassed and amped.
These headlines are awesome.
Well, did you do it? Don't lie to me. That wasn't on purpose.
It got me.
No, but
gassed after the fire.
You didn't do it on purpose,
no,
right? That just happened? Man, holy Matrix.
This is amazing.
What's even going on? This is more gas than the last guy.
You can't plan this stuff.
I'll take 2 of these, Will. What do I got to pay? Take a spin in Audi's gasoline-electric hybrid rally racer. I mean, you obviously can't buy this. So ridiculous. It's airborne in this image that we're looking at, although there's more photos that we also have to look at. The best thing I saw in Italy was a bus driver shaking his fist at a flock of sheep, blocking his way down a narrow road set against a hillside covered in wild lavender. He had a glorious mustache and an extensive vocabulary of what I assume were sheep-related curses. The second best thing was the dashboard of Audi's RSQ e-tron, which flashed my name across its digital display. I only saw it for a second, and then I drove through a stream, and all I saw was water. This is coming via Car and Driver. Check this beast out.
Wow.
Never mind a Bronco, Willie do.
Whoa.
Get yourself one of these and say no to nothing. You're going everywhere. Where can't you go in this?
Toronto? Like parking in the city?
You said it so formally, dude. Toronto?
Well, after Among Us.
Among Us, yeah. So is this going to actually pop up in a race, or is it just strictly a concept situation?
I think eventually there would probably be a league for it, right?
Wow.
I think there's a distinction.
Well, at the moment, they're calling it e-tron, but it's actually a hybrid, which is interesting because all their other e-tron products are fully electric, right? Mm-hmm. But then they said hybrid above there. I mean, whatever. It's an absolute monster. Maybe it's a range-related thing because with rally cars, you're going for a while, aren't you?
Yeah.
Day and night in some scenarios.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Do you have any other specs on it? Do we have some horsepower specs or something? You probably got to go back to the main article here.
The hood scoop thing on the roof, that's like for air, so that like exhaust, isn't it? So they can
Probably
go right
for
under
cooling.
the water. Yeah. Oh, cooling.
Oh, you thought it was a snorkel?
That's what I thought. That you can go right under the water, or she or whoever's driving.
Maybe.
I guess.
Let's see here. Audi brought me to Italy to get a taste of what its racing drivers experience piloting the RSQ e-tron in the 2-week-long Dakar rally in Saudi Arabia. This is real deal, man. They're already using this thing.
Oh.
Just replaced nearly 6,000 miles of skyscraper-high sand dunes, rocky desert terrain, and high-speed navigation with 3 laps around a small dirt track on a perfect spring day on a farm in Sardinia. Here, the biggest distractions were the cows, all of which were wearing cute little bells. So he got a really exclusive test drive on this thing that is actually apparently being used in competition. 37-inch BF Goodrich tires. Audi's race machines have always had an intimidating presence. All the scoops and fat fenders and a general sense of violence. This guy's going for it with this article,
he's
by
really
the way.
painting a
He's
picture.
going for it.
Yeah, read the end.
Oh, there's Ken Block. Cool. Did he get to drive it? I can sense a really expensive, highly produced video if Ken Block gets his hands on this thing. Here's a quote from the team. If we wanted to make it even the first fueling stop on battery power alone, this is in reference to what I was talking about with the e-tron branding, we would have required a trailer to haul it. When Audi started work on the RSQ e-tron project, the FIA still did not have rules in place that were applicable to the electric racer. By the time the car hit the starting line, its powertrain's output was limited to 288 kilowatts or approximately 386 horsepower, and its onboard fuel capacity was capped at 300 liters, which is 79 gallons. Yeah, that's not going to cut it. We need 1,000 horsepower on this deal. But yeah, in these rally races, it's kind of what you need is a little different. You need some stamina in there as well and harsh conditions and so forth. And they have rules around how powerful things can be and weights and so forth. But anyway, it's a hybrid, not a fully electric for now until they can figure out one of these similar to Formula E, I guess. Eventually they can do full electric rally. That'd be cool.